Chapter covers the following topic: security. Completion of this chapter will help you learn the importance of security, the key elements of the defense in-depth security concept, and the range of Siemens products designed to enhance security. As previously discussed, the benefits of extending industrial Ethernet connections all the way to the field level are clear. What may not be so obvious, however, are the additional risks this poses unless a well-planned industrial security approach is implemented. Automation systems, like other business systems, have always faced both internal and external security risks. But as the interconnectedness of devices and systems increases and production systems interact more seamlessly, additional threats have emerged. These trends not only open automation systems to the full spectrum of attacks faced by IT systems, but they also increase the ability of a single individual or small group to adversely impact business processes and performance. Fortunately, businesses can control these risks with improved security. To aid in this effort, Siemens has been a leader in development of automation components, systems, and approaches that increase security at all levels. Security threats occur at all levels. Effective security must therefore provide protection at all levels. Siemens Industrial Security achieves this with a defense in-depth concept based on ISA 99, which is applied on 3 levels: plant security, network security, and system integrity. Plant security prevents physical access to critical components by unauthorized personnel. This starts with conventional building access control and requires additional security for the most sensitive areas. Among other things, network security includes use of firewalls to protect production applications from unauthorized access, and segmentation of individual subnets through use of a cell protection concept or a perimeter network. It also ensures that the connected systems are protected by up-to-date antivirus software, patches, and other updates. System integrity is the protection of automation devices and systems from unauthorized access and improper use. Access protection is necessary to authenticate users and systems and to grant permission to selectively access information and applications or to make changes. Centralized user administration provides the assurance of sufficiently robust passwords and the tracking of invalid logins. Siemens Industrial Security products offer targeted measures to protect against different threat scenarios and can be combined to form total security solutions. The full range of Siemens Industrial Security products is too extensive to list in detail, but include products in the following categories: access control products, industrial security for network components, industrial security for PC-based systems, industrial security for process automation, industrial security for controllers and HMIs, packaged solutions. Additional information is available on the industrial security portion of the Siemens.com website. What do you think? Select all the correct statements, then click Evaluate. This chapter has provided you with an overview of security. This information is important because it summarizes the importance of security, the key elements of the defense in-depth security concept, and provides some examples of Siemens products designed to enhance security. This chapter covers the following topic: user benefits. Completion of this chapter will help you learn how PROFINET features discussed throughout this course support the following 3 critical PROFINET user benefits: flexibility, efficiency, and performance. Flexibility permits the implementation of tailor-made plant concepts. Efficiency permits the optimum utilization of resources. Performance results in increased productivity. Flexibility permits the implementation of tailor-made plant solutions. Consider the following PROFINET capabilities. PROFINET supports wireless communication with industrial wireless LAN, and thus opens up new applications. PROFINET via IWLAN allows machine builders and plant constructors to develop new concepts with mobile machine parts, for example, transport systems. Thanks to IWLAN, maintenance costs can be reduced because contact wires and trailing cables are no longer required for communication. Machine operators have more freedom of movement with PROFINET via IWLAN because it allows the use of mobile HMI devices. PROFINET supports the proven PROFISAFE safety profile and also allows wireless safety-related communication. The existing network infrastructure is optimally utilized since no separate cabling or additional safety control is required. An integrated range of products is available for safety applications. Fail-safe controllers, fail-safe I/O, and fail-safe drives permit the implementation of safety requirements in almost any plant. The existing systems can be easily switched over from PROFIBUS to PROFINET because no changes occur in the safety-related part of the machine or plant. PROFINET permits flexible network topologies and thus optimum machine and plant planning. The network topology follows the layout of the machine, which means that wiring costs are reduced and commissioning is simplified. It is even possible to later expand the topology without any additional measures. Linear topologies and redundant ring structures can be cost-effectively implemented without additional network components thanks to switches that are integrated in the field devices. Several controllers can be operated in one network. This means that several controllers access one field device, shared device, or controllers can also communicate with each other, iDevice. Due to its openness, PROFINET provides the basis for a uniform automation network and thus allows the easy integration of existing systems. PROFINET permits the unrestricted parallel use of an Ethernet connection for I/O communication and standard IT data TCP/IP. New PROFINET segments can be integrated without any problem into existing plant or machine infrastructure, regardless of the manufacturers used. For PROFIBUS users, there is maximum investment protection because existing PROFIBUS system parts can be seamlessly integrated into PROFINET. Since PROFINET supports TCP/IP, it permits the use of standard web services such as web servers and field devices. Machine downtimes are significantly reduced thanks to quick access to diagnostic information via web servers. It is even possible to access field devices when the I/O controller has completely failed. User-defined web pages permit the implementation of new maintenance concepts. Service technicians get access to all of the relevant machine data at a glance. Remote access allows simple diagnostic information to be gathered from geographically remote machines. For example, this allows early identification of replacement parts needed for repairs. PROFINET ensures the easy expansion of machines and plants at any time. Existing PROFINET networks can be expanded at any time via additional network components without changing the existing infrastructure. It is possible to expand existing PROFINET controllers by adding an additional application at any time. Parts of the plant with PROFIBUS can be seamlessly integrated into PROFINET plants, even if safety communication is in operation. This allows a step-by-step migration to PROFINET. More efficiency permits the optimum utilization of resources. Consider the following PROFINET capabilities. PROFINET provides a wide range of functions with a low degree of complexity. Users can implement machine and plant communication via a single cable, resulting in integration from the control level all the way down to the field device, and cost savings thanks to less wiring and reduced training overhead. PROFINET provides comprehensive device and network diagnostic capabilities. Easy and efficient access to the relevant device and network information during commissioning and servicing allows quick clearing of faults. Only a standard browser is needed for troubleshooting. Thus, service and maintenance can be carried out regardless of the location and engineering system. Through use of the Profi Energy Profile, PROFINET enables intelligent energy saving and automation. Significant savings in energy are gained even during short breaks thanks to selective switching, and a high degree of plant availability can be achieved by means of coordinated switching. Profi Energy can also be seamlessly integrated into existing systems without causing undesired reactions. With PROFINET, industrial networks can be set up quickly and reliably. The cost for cables and installation can be reduced thanks to easy and quick assembly on site. Reliable shield contacting and strain relief and good EMC shielding for copper cables ensure a high degree of availability of the PROFINET connection. PROFINET optimizes both initial commissioning and any subsequent device replacement. No programming tools or engineering personnel are needed for replacing devices during servicing and maintenance. The downtime is reduced because only a new device from the warehouse must be used to put a machine or plant back into operation. PROFINET ensures that data is reliably transferred and unaffected by external sources of interference. Cable reflections and wiring problems, for example when a terminating resistor is missing, do not occur with PROFINET. Connection problems always affect 2 points and not an entire line. Errors can be located immediately. The use of PROFINET is also possible without any problems in EMI-sensitive areas. More performance results in increased productivity. Consider the following PROFINET capabilities. With very short cycle times, PROFINET allows maximum productivity of machines and plants. Short cycle times, independent of the network load, permit the implementation of high-performance applications. The scalable performance makes it possible to configure PROFINET stations individually depending on the requirement. The bandwidth and available controller performance is thus optimally utilized. Communication via PROFINET is deterministic, which is essential to high product quality. A high degree of accuracy and control quality at a high application speed lead to a significant increase in product quality. PROFINET with IRT allows precise deterministic application behavior, completely independent of the remaining communication load. The implementation of safety applications and standard communication are also possible with short cycle times without restriction. With PROFINET, there are practically no limits for the number of field devices in one network. This means that more complex machines and systems are possible through the use of PROFINET. The application no longer has to be broken up into partial field bus lines. With PROFINET, all the field devices can be connected in one network, where they can directly communicate with each other. The communication performance can be significantly increased through the simultaneous communication between field devices, which ultimately leads to shorter cycle times. By using Ethernet in full duplex mode, PROFINET achieves a significantly higher transmission rate than field buses, allowing both process data and other plant data to be quickly transferred via TCP without any problem. The data rate of PROFINET with full duplex capability is approximately 18 times higher than with PROFIBUS, allowing data-intensive applications on the backbone to quickly and efficiently exchange plant and production data. PROFINET implements redundant structures without additional switches. The redundant setup considerably increases the plant and machine availability because the failure of individual devices does not affect communication. Media redundancy is integrated in PROFINET and can easily be utilized without added costs. In case of network interference, it is possible to quickly perform network diagnostics, which greatly accelerates troubleshooting. The fast startup function allows rapid startup of PROFINET devices that are connected to SIMATIC controllers. Quick detection of PROFINET devices by the controller allows modular concepts without waiting periods. Automatic tool changers work faster and are more productive. Do you think? Drag the user benefits in the blocks to match the numbers in the accompanying graphic. Then click Evaluate. This chapter has provided you with an overview of PROFINET user benefits. This information was provided to help you learn how the PROFINET features discussed throughout this course support the following three critical PROFINET user benefits: flexibility, efficiency, and performance. You have now successfully completed this course. You can use the course menu to review a lesson, or you can exit the course by closing the course window.